हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। इस वीडियो में हम ब्रिज कोर्स के बारे में जानेंगे। क्लास 6 के मैथमेटिक्स सब्जेक्ट के फर्स्ट ब्रिज कोर्स मॉड्यूल के बारे में, जिसका टॉपिक है प्लेस वैल्यू। ये आपके फर्स्ट चैप्टर नोइंग द नंबर से रिलेटेड है। तो चलिए हम देखते हैं हमारा ब्रिज कोर्स का। इसमें हम क्या क्या सीखने वाले हैं। प्लेस वैल्यू, फेस वैल्यू, स्मॉलेस्ट एंड लार्जेस्ट सॉरी या ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर विद डिफरेंट डिजिट्स, कंपेयर नंबर्स to compare two different numbers which is greater or smaller, expansion of numbers, national system of numeration, international system of numeration, and Roman numbers. So let's start. Here you can see there are, I have written two numbers. One is 10,856 and second one is 95,347. So if I ask you what is the value of, what is the place of 6 in this number, you will say ones. Okay. Then after we will see what is the place of 5, that is tens. Then what is the place of 8, that is hundreds. What is the place of 0 here, that is thousands. And what is the place of 1 is 10,000s. So value of place increases as we go to left from right. Okay. Here also 7 is first digit from right. So what is the value of 7, that is ones. 4 is second digit from right and left to ones position. So what is this? Tens. Then after there is 3, which is on hundreds place. Then 5, it is on thousands place. Then 9, it is on 10,000 place. So these are the place values. If you have given any number, you can find out place value of any number, sorry, any digit. Suppose I ask what is the place value of 3 here, you will say sir it is on hundreds position, hundreds place. So what is the place value, face value, sorry, what is the face value of 10,000 place? So what will you say, sir this is 10,000 place and here is 9. Which digit is here? 9. So place value of 10,000 place is 9. Okay. Next, how to find greater and smallest number. Greater and smallest number, which are greater number and which is smallest number. So first we will see for one digit. Suppose I ask you to write numbers continuously. You will write 0 from 0. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Then you will write 10. So you can see which are one digits number, which numbers have only one digit, that is 0 to 9. All these numbers have one digit. So which is the smallest number with one digit, that is 0, and which is the greater number with one digit, that is 9. Suppose then next, which is smallest two digit number, that is 10. It is the first two digit number, so it will be smaller or smallest between two digits number. So you will write continued up to 99. When 99 comes, you can see it is the last two digit number. So which is greater number or greatest number in two digits number, that is 99. Similarly, if you add 1 in this number, what you will get? Smallest three digit number, that is 100. Okay. Then you will write continuously numbers. You will reach 999. That is the greatest three digit number here. If you again add plus 1 here, what you will get? 4 digit smallest number. And what is the 4 digit greatest number? That is 9,999. Okay. Suppose I given you 100. If you subtract 1 from it, it is smallest 3 digit number. What will you get? Smallest greatest 2 digit number. Okay. Understood? Now we will see predecessor and successor. What is predecessor and successor? If you are given any number, the previous number is predecessor of it, and the number after coming that number is successor of it. In simple language, we can say if we subtract 1 from this number, we will get predecessor of this number, and we add 1 in this number, we will get successor of this number. So let's check. What is the predecessor of this number? 85,792. I will subtract 1 from it. What number is resulting number? 85,791. So for successor, I have to add 1 here. What I will get? 85,793. Okay. And now you can see here is 10,000. You can add 1 for successor and you can subtract 1 for its predecessor. First, I will find its predecessor. What will be its predecessor? Predecessor is 10,000. So 9,999 is predecessor. And what is successor of it? 10,000. 1 is its successor. Okay. Okay. Now you have to solve all these numbers to find predecessor and successor. I will show you the last two digit numbers. 78,925, 78,926. Suppose I have to find its predecessor and successor. What should I do? Again, I will subtract 1 for predecessor and add 1 for successor. So 78,924 is predecessor, 78,926 is successor. Here you can see this number is present here. So each and every number have its predecessor and successor, and each number, suppose a number is successor of any number, it will also have its successor or predecessor. So it is successor of this number 78,925. What is successor of it? 78,926. So what is predecessor of this number? It will be this number 78,925. Okay. And its successor, to find successor, I will add 1 in here, 78,927. Understood? Now we will see how to compare two numbers. Suppose you have to find out greatest number or smallest number. What should we do first? Count digits. It's very simple. What will you have to do? Just count the digits in number. Suppose I have given here two numbers, you 78,500, and here I will simply give you 500. So what will you do? You have to count numbers 1, 2, 3. There are three digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are five digits. So you can say which is greatest number. This one is greatest number. Why? Because it have 10,000 place. Okay, 10,000 place digits still 10,000 place value, and it is hundreds. You know which is greater, hundreds place or 10,000 place? Obviously 10,000 place. Then check highest place value. Recently I have shown you which is highest place value, 10,000. Check face value. If in case the both numbers have same highest place value and same digits, so we will check face value. How? Suppose there is 43,000 and 200 a number and 78,000 and 300 a number. There are two numbers. You can see both have five digits till thousands place. So what you have to do? We have to check highest place values, face value. So what is face value of this position, this place? That is 4. What is place value of this place? That is 7. So which is greater, 4 or 7? 7 is greater, so this is greater number. How will you show? Suppose a greater number, a number is greater or not? We will see here. Here you can see the both numbers have same digits, number of digits and same highest place value. Here there is 3, there is 3. Here is 2, here is 2. Then here is 7 on hundreds position and here is 8 on hundreds position. So 7 is greater or 8 is greater? 8 is greater. So which sign you have to give here? You have to give this sign here. This sign indicates that this number is less than this number, so this is the greatest number. Okay, now we will see second example. 1,67,894, 1,76,894. You will see the number of digits are same, both have 6 digits. The highest place value also same, but after that the next place value have 6 and 7. 7 is greater, so how will you write this like this? Okay, now third one, you can see 1,98,000 and 1,97,000. So which is greater number? This one. So how will you give sign to it like this? This means 1,98,000 is greater than 1,97,000. Okay. If what you will do, if both numbers are equal, having same value, you have to give just equal to sign. Just in F, you have to solve remaining. Okay. Next, we will see expansion of number. How to expand number. Now you know what is the place value and face value of numbers. So you have to just multiply each number's place value, face value, and add to its next number. So you will see 9,05,621. How we should write this in expansion form? 9. What is the face value of this? 9, and place value is 1 lakh. So 9 into 1 lakh. I will write 9 into 1 lakh plus. Next, what is the next digit? That is 0. What is the place value? Here 10,000. But this face value of this is 0. So you don't have to write any number. You have to just simply add 0. Then again add. What is the place value of this number? Thousands. And what is the face value? That is 5. So 5 into 1000 plus again what is the face value of this number? 6. And what is place value? Hundreds. So you have to write 6 into 100 plus 2. What is the place value of 2? That is tens, and face value is 2. So you have to write 2 into 10 plus 1 into 1. Because why you have to write 1 into 1? Because the last digit is one's position, and that is 1. So you have to write 1 into 1. If you multiply this and add, you will get this number. Let's check. If you multiply 9 into 1 lakh, that is 9 lakh. Now there is 0, so I will write 0. 5 into 1000, so I will write 5000 here. Okay. Then 6 into 100, that is 600. I will write here 600. Plus 2 into 10, that is 20. Plus 1 into 1, that is 1. So I will simply add this. On ones position there is only 1. On tens position there is only 2. On hundreds position there is only 6. On thousand position there is 5. And 10,000 position there is no number. It means there is 0. And lakhs position there is 9. So if I give comma, this number and this number is equal. Yes, so both numbers are equal. Okay, you can solve remaining numbers. Now we will see how to represent or count number in our national system of numeration. How you have to write number, any number in Indian system of numeration. I have given a number here. This number is 25 crore 23 lakh 10,856. So you have to remember. Suppose you have given any number like this. You have to give commas to read it simply. Why? Because I have written here a number. Okay. You can't read it simply. You have to give commas first. Can you read it? You have to count ones, tens, hundred this way to identify how greater number is or what is the value of this number. So you have to give commas. So what national system of numeration says us, first we have to give commas after 3 digits, then we will give comma after 2 digits. Okay, here 1 2 3 I have given comma, then 1 2, then comma, then 1 2, then comma. Here also 1 2, there is no digit, in front of 3. So you don't need to give comma. Now you can read it simply. That is ones, tens, hundred. You know this thousands, lakh, ten, and crore. Sorry. So it is 38 crore 76 lakh 72,000 and what we can see here. This number represents ones place. This second one represents tens. This represents hundreds. This represents zero represents thousands place. One represents 10,000 place. After that, we will come to lakh. So what is the place of next 10,000 after 10,000? That is lakh. Okay. We count in Indian system of numeration just like this. Then 2. What is the place value of 2 then? 10 lakhs. What is the place for 5 is crores. And what is the place for 2 is 10 crores. You have to read numbers in this way and write in words also this way. Okay. We will see some example. Here is 5,69,823. How will you write this number? Simply 5,69,823. You have to write in words. Okay. This way you will we have to see this one example 62,485. Then what number is 62,000? So I will write first 62 and then give comma 400. So I will write 4 on hundreds place. Then 85. 85 means 8 is on tens place and 5 is on ones place. So this is the correct number. Okay. So you have to practice this and solve assignment and assessment on this module you have given in your bridge course. Okay. Now we will see international system of numeration. What is international number system of numeration? How they count out of the India in international level. So here you can see there is comma after 3 digits. Okay, we give comma first after 3 digits, then again after two digits. But in this international system, you have to give comma continuously after three digits. Okay, let's see. We have given comma correctly or not? 1 2 3, then here is comma 1 2 3, then here is comma 1 2 3, then here is comma. Okay, you can now I will show you place values of these numbers. First, this is ones place. After that there is tens. After that there is hundreds. Then after that there is thousands and 10,000. Till here we have common place values, but after it changes the place value in national system and international system. Here you will see 100,000. What you have? 100,000 after 10,000. Okay. In Indian system you have lakh here. Okay. After 100,000, what is the place value? Then millions. Here in Indian system you have 10 lakh. Okay. After million there is 10 million. This is you have here 1 crores place value. Okay. Then after it you have 100 millions place value, that is equals to 10 crores, and here then you have 1 billion. Okay, it is also equal but it is not in your syllabus, so we will let it go. Then you have to represent number by international system or write number by international system. How you have to write, you will see. Here you can see the numbers are same but written in different way. Okay. Now you can see here 569,823. So you have to write how to write 2,411,062. 2 billion. Okay, I will show you this number 2 billion. So I will write 2, then u comma 4. There is spelling mistake. It is 4. Okay, 411 million. So I will write 411, then give comma 62,000. There is no number on 100,000 place. So I will write here 0 and write 62, then give comma 485. 485. This is the correct number. Okay. You have to solve remaining and practice these questions. Here I have shown you chart the values how which values are equal in Indian system equals to in international system. Okay, you have to study this chart and write in your notebook. So next topic is Roman numbers. Roman numbers are very easy. As you can see, your classroom are also written in Roman numbers. So you already identify Roman numbers, but here I have given you chart from 1 to 100 how to represent Roman numbers. Okay. So first you have to write 1. So there is you have to write in this way. After that you have to write 2. You have to write in like this. And how 3 you have to write 3 like this. But after 4, after 3 you have to write 4 like this way and 5 like this way. Okay, same system as follows till 100. You can study this chart and you can write yours by yourself. Okay, so here is your first module of bridge course has completed. I am Shrikant. So you have to write now all the topics I have told you here and complete your class assessment in this course notebook and home assignment also. Okay. Thank you, students.